Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to fix emoji missing on iPhone keyboard on iOS 26. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. If you take a look at the iPhone keyboard, you discover that the emoji keyboard is missing. So let me show you how to fix this. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the settings app. Scroll down, locate and click on general. Scroll down, locate and click on keyboard. Then click on keyboards, locate and click on add new keyboard. Now locate and click on emoji under suggested keyboard and then hit the back button. Then you have emoji added to your keyboard. Now go ahead and open the messages app. Then click on the emoji keyboard at the bottom left. Then you have access to all your emojis like this. Yes, that. So if the emoji keyboard is missing on your iPhone, this is exactly how to fix it on your iPhone iOS 26. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.